everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Jeans. As you can see, Alfred is not here with me right now because he's kind of busy. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you the things we purchased at DIOR. But before I continue this vlog, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for our upcoming videos. So let's get started! I'm gonna end up today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Always be kind and stay safe. God bless you all. Bye guys!